Hello, I'm a banana. I would tell you my name, but bananas don't get names because we are devoured. Which is funny, because I've heard humans share 40% of their DNA with bananas. So I guess that makes you a cannibal.
And I heard you share 70% of my DNA. A slug.
Shut up! You're gross. Humans don't even eat you.
Oh, contraire, mon frere. What about escargot?
That's snails. Humans just pour salt on you. They don't eat you.
Neither of you is exactly right.
No. I'm right. Humans don't eat slugs.
Well, that's true. But what you said about humans sharing 40% of our DNA with you is misleading.
But.
Let's climb that phylogenetic tree over there, and I'll explain. There's nothing we found yet that doesn't share at least some DNA with the rest of everything else. And so, in that way, we are all in the same sort of DNA family tree.
Mommy, I love you so much.
Not that close. Let's take your 40% statistic. If we only look at the protein-making genes, then sure, we humans share about 40% of our genes with bananas.
Okay, so I am right. I was right. Right? How do I get off this stupid tree?
But that's just part of our DNA. Have you ever heard of Hox genes?
Oh, I have. Hox genes are the brand. Hox. Slime, tight-fitting, and just right for those Hox garden nights. Hox genes.
The Hox gene controls other genes to make sure all the body parts are laid out in the right order. So if a species doesn't share human Hox genes, it isn't going to end up looking like a human, or like anything closely related to one.
Hey guys, do these Hox genes make me look, human?
Well, I'm still pretty right. We share 40% of our protein-making genes with humans.
Well, protein genes only account for about 1% of a human's DNA. The remaining 99% is a critical difference. So humans are not bananas, and bananas are not humans. Not even close.
Oh, you thought I wanted to be human. Okay. I mean, maybe you want to be a banana. There's a lot to being a banana, okay? You couldn't handle all of the banana it takes to be a banana.
No, I'd like to be human. Or a banana. Or human.